we are launching our very own 12-watt fire-rated Downlight. The product comes with complete Australian testing and certification. Some technical features of the product are: it has a 90mm cutout and has a maximum output up to 1000 lumens. It has an IP65 rating and a life expectancy of 50,000 hours. Also a 90-minute fire rating. This Downlight comes with 3 trims, which are black, white and brushed chrome. It is also colour temperature switchable between 3000, 4000 and 6000 Kelvin. This is via a handy little switch located under the magnetic detachable trims. This means should you want to change the temperature after installation, you can simply do so by removing the trim. And finally, it comes with a 5-year warranty.